Welcome guys, today we are going to be talking about types of arbitrage. So if you are just coming across this video for the first time, please don't forget to turn on the subscribe button and hit on the notification bell so that whenever we drop a video like this, you'll be notified. Go straight to the type of arbitrage. We have spatial arbitrage, temporal arbitrage, statistical arbitrage, triangular arbitrage, merger arbitrage, and convertible arbitrage. Spatial arbitrage. Spatial arbitrage involves buying and selling assets in different geographic locations to take advantage of price difference. So example, let's say buying gold in New York at 1,500 and selling it in London at 1,550. Temporal arbitrage. Temporal arbitrage involves buying and selling assets at different times to take advantage of price difference. Example, buying a stock at $50 today and selling it at $60 tomorrow. So statistical arbitrage. Statistical arbitrage involves using statistical model to identify mispricing in the market. Example, using a statistical model to identify undervalued stock and buying them while simultaneously selling short overvalued stock. Triangular arbitrage. Triangular arbitrage involves buying and selling three different currencies to take advantage of price difference. Merger arbitrage. Merger arbitrage involves buying and selling assets related to companies involved in mergers and acquisitions to take advantage of price difference. Example, buying share of a company being acquired at low price and selling share of the acquiring company at a higher price. So 6. Convertible arbitrage. Convertible arbitrage involves in buying and selling convertible bonds and the underlying stock to take advantage of price difference. Example, buying convertible bonds that can convert into stock at $50 while the stock is trading at $60 and selling the stock to earn profit. In my next video, we are going to dive into a powerful statistical arbitrage trading, which I will introduce a statistical arbitrage trading bot that will automatically execute arbitrage trade on your behalf with minimal stress. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications.